Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a unpackaging of what is in this here package. And where is this package from? Ghostbusters Virginia. Jason from Ghostbusters.com news on YouTube. Link will be in the description box down below. To subscribe to him, follow his channel, check it out. And of course, also, welcome to July. That's right. We're in July, ladies and gentlemen. Whoop-de-doo. We're in July. Holy cow. And you know what it is? It's Friday. And Stranger Things continues. And also I've been hearing some stuff that episode 7, oh no wait, what is it? Episode 9 is going to have, or is it 8? Is going to be an 85-minute show. Really? 85 minutes? No, but I'll get back to that in a moment. But anyway, I'll just get back to that point as well. But also, let's get to what is in here. What the? Did I go ripped off again? Oh, wait, it's not in here. Then where is it? We're here. Here it is, folks. An Ivan Reitman Memorial Pen. Oh my God. Wow. So yeah, director Ivan Reitman. We recently lost him this year. And as of recently, he would have been about, say, I don't know how old he actually. Wow. Let me put this up a little bit. This year would have been his 75th birthday, 76th birthday, but he died at 75. Wow. But he was a great filmmaker and a great director and a great adversary to the Ghostbusters team. So yeah, folks, I mean, really, he was a hell of a director. And personally, I like Kindergarten Cop, I like Ghostbusters 1 and 2, I like Stripes. Also, he was involved producing Space Jam 1, actually. And now his son took over the family torch, and he did appear as a part of Egon in a couple shots in Afterlife. But all in all, it's amazing. And this will be staying in my collection, because I'm a big fan of Ivan Reitman, and his son is carrying on the torch, which is very cool. All right, folks, let's get on to the next item. But also, continuing about July. What is going on in July? Alright. Continue from where episode 7 left off. This is going to be 8 and 9. And those who haven't noticed, this is going to be like a movie or television movie, because Chapter 8, Papa, is about 85 minutes. And Chapter 9, the Piggyback, is going to be about 139-minute TV episode. Whoa. I'd rather call these TV movies, you know. No, seriously. You might as well give them... This is about 2 hours and 19 minutes. That's about 139 minutes. If anybody's familiar with a Turkish TV series going... like a Turkish TV series called Brave and Beautiful, this TV show, the Turkish version, is about 159 minutes long. But this one is going to be the longest run times of a single episode ever. So, if you can compare 85 minutes to, let's just say, about 139 minutes, wow, that's a long one. It'll be under somewhere between about 200 and something minutes. Wow. Making it approximately, wow, 224 minutes. Wow. Might as well put Chapter 8 and 9 into like a big-esque movie, in my opinion. Or maybe the next season it'll be like a movie in a way. Who knows? I just hope it has good tones, kick-asses, and I hope it'll be like a blast. So yeah, folks, That's all you need to know for now. And also more updates. As of already, the funding for the Sawyer Family Massacre has ended. And also, you still have time for the Friday 13 Vengeance. Funding's still going on for Never Hike Alone 2. Anyone wants to get if any of you want to get the original, links in the description box down below on Indiegogo so you can fund the movie. And, oh yeah, more updates to tell you. Something's happening at GalaxyCon.com. Alright, the private signing for Richard Dreyfuss. In any views or anybody know who Richard Dreyfuss is, he's a well-known American actor, well-known for American Graffiti. He was in that film, one of his early films. He was in The Apprenticeship of Duddy Kravitz. He became very well-known to the world as the marine biologist Matt Hooper in Jaws, which was directed by Steven Spielberg, and Roy Neary in Close Encounters of the Third Kind 2 years later, and would later be in The Goodbye Girl, Stakeout, Another Stakeout, and would later be playing the role of Dr. Leo something, I forgot what was his last name, with Bill Murray in the film called What About Bob? And also will later be appearing in other projects in his career, including Alexander During in Red, with Bruce Willis and Morgan Freeman and Mary Louise Parker. And he's done well, and he was also the writer in the 1986 film Stand By Me. So any of you want to get some autographs, link is in the description box down below for even more private signings. This one will end on July 22nd. And you ain't gonna believe the price of those who want to pay big dollars. I know I paid a couple bucks before, and it was pretty good price. Couldn't buy it out. So yeah, autograph photo $15. Mini same thing for the photo. Autograph signing on more photos, and then you got mini posters, which is about 125 bucks. So yeah, if any of you want to get his work, here's a scene from here's a couple of Jaws autographs. And of course, you have Hooper. You have him with the scuba gear. You also let's see, hold on, I can't tell what movie was that he was in. Oh, you have the Jaws posters, Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Oh, here's a scene from Close Encounters of the Third Kind where he's putting a mountain of mashed potatoes when he's having a vision about what's going on. You have Red. You have the scene from Red. And also you have the Poseidon Adventure 2006, which I'm not a big fan of that movie. Two other Close Encounters of the Third Kind photo. You have the boat scene in Jaws with Roy Scheider's Martin Brody, and the diving scene where he's about to check what happened to the owner of that boat. And then you have the barrels rising up. That indicates that the shark is there. Then you have Hooper with the two other heroes, Martin Brody and Sam Quint. Quint is the shark hunter. But sadly, Roy Scheider and Robert Shaw have passed on 30 years apart. Really, man, those two will remain awesome. So is Richard Dreyfuss, because today Jaws still remains one of the best classics ever made, and became one of the best-selling books in the nation, even one of the awesome grossing films of all time in the world. And Close Encounters, very awesome. So yeah, under $15. If you do the math for Beckett authentication, that's going to cost you $10. Signing would be somewhere about $3, $10 extra for shipping. So yeah, do the math, folks, before you're interested in buying. And this is an 8x12, by the way. If you're interested in 8x10, here's one with him with the scuba gears. So yeah. So anyways, folks, links in the description box down below. More updates to come. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Welcome to July, folks. Welcome to July.